Salute my friends! Today I'm going to build a diorama for my VK 3.02 and Santa Claus. My update will be late, but Santa Claus won't. Let's get started. One of my friends gave me this resin base as a birthday gift. I picked it up from my storage. There are fun details on it. Look at this abandoned trailer, which is half buried in mud. That's cool. As usual, I will begin with a black and white process. It's not only because of my habit, but also, in this case, the metal will make the rich information on the bases stand up for themselves. So before you really initiate their real colors, you will think like, well, they're worthy of my time. Well, I was giving the whole ground a basic earth brown. You don't need to make it seriously solid, just let the purest layers play their roles. According to this reference picture, the ground where has track planes appears to be slightly different from that which doesn't. I had adjusted the pen to refer to the difference. That's how it looks for now. There's this giant canvas covering the abandoned trailer. We can't ignore it, evidently. Let's try to make it as charming as possible. Use a highly diluted alkali white paint with adding kind of fade sentiment on it. We are getting into the real deep water zone. There are uncountable details on the ground. There are rotten woods, mud, abandoned metal cans, sands, and pieces of stone. You can play with them internally. The idea is to emphasize parts of the elements, but not all of them. Make them independently show up from the background. If they are all highlighted, means none of them will be seen. Highlighting the teeth of the track planes, which I learned are significant signs. Gave the whole ground a dark brown wash. Mixing PVA glue, water, and pigment to add snow cover. Oops, it happens. I was making a snow melting winter diorama, so I was gently limit tapping on the area without trappings. The melting snow will create small puddles everywhere in the low grounds. Use a dry brush to smooth the puddles, essentially kill the bubbles. I add a super small amount of thinner to the paint in order to create a kind of splash effect on both sides of the trailer. Finally, I put everything together. I build and paint the figure and the vehicle periodically. I've put the video links on the screen if you are interested. Voila, that's it. A Santa Claus who abandoned his supply transporter and walked towards the farmlight. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.